All right, guys, you seen that title in that thumbnail, and we about to whip up a good casserole over here, and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken fajita rice casserole. Man, this baby is delicious. Trust me. Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of these ingredients. Right here, we have some boneless chicken breasts. Here, I cut them up in bite-sized pieces. You can also cut them up in strips, totally up to you. I have a red, green, and yellow bell pepper here. I sliced them up. You can dice them, totally up to you. I have an onion here. I sliced too, but you can also dice them. Totally up to you. Chicken broth. We have some long grain rice here. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder here. Heavy whipping cream. I have a mix of cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack right here. Diced tomatoes, black beans, corn. These three are optional. You don't have to put those in there. It's totally up to you. Fajita seasoning mix, paprika, some chopped garlic, and some olive oil. That's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, we're at our cooktop. We're gonna heat up a little olive oil, half of our olive oil. We're gonna bring this up to temperature over medium heat. Once that oil heats up, we're gonna add our veggies. And we're gonna cook these until they're softened. It may take a few minutes. We're also gonna add our garlic to this. We're gonna sprinkle about half of our fajita seasoning in here. We're also gonna add our salt, pepper, and garlic powder here, along with our paprika. And we're gonna continue to cook this for the next few minutes, getting it all mixed together. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good here. We're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna remove our veggies. We're gonna set them aside. Bring our pan back over, add some more olive oil, unpause our heat. Let's get that back up to temperature. Once that comes back up to temperature, add your chicken. You wanna crank that heat up to a medium high. You wanna add your fajita seasoning, the rest of it, rather. I still got more left. Once I turn these babies over, I'm gonna add the remainder of our fajita seasoning. So I'm gonna let them sit here, untouched for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're gonna add the rest of our fajita seasoning to the other side of the chicken. All right, guys, so we've cooked those babies for a few minutes on each side. We're not trying to get it cooked all the way through in this round because we still got some cooking left to do. So we're gonna add our veggies back in here. Get that mixed around in here real quick. And I forgot to add this particular ingredient in here. We're gonna add some tomato paste. And we're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna stir in our uncooked rice. Now I did wash this rice already and rinsed it. Wanna make sure you do that. We'll get that mixed in here. Along with our black beans, our corn, our diced tomatoes. We're gonna stir in that chicken broth and our heavy whipping cream. We're gonna get this mixed in. As we bring this mixture to a boil, once that mixture starts to boil, you want to reduce your heat to low, cover it up, and we're gonna let that baby cook for 18 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender and the liquid has been absorbed. All right, guys, so we are 20 minutes in. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna remove our top. Now you can also remove this from your cooktop, or you can remove from your stove. Stove is totally up to you. And we're gonna go in by adding our cheese here on top like this. We're gonna cover this back up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure your stove is off. Make sure your stove or your cooktop is off. And we're just gonna let that cheese melt for the next 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so now it looks like our cheese is melted. We're gonna move over to our cutting board and put the final touches on it, get it plated up and into quality control. All right, guys, so let's remove our hood. God, that looks absolutely beautiful. All we're gonna do now is throw some fresh cilantro over here, which is my other favorite green stuff next to parsley. And there you have it, guys. Chicken Fajita Rice Casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time. I'm gonna bring this to the front of the congregation, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I had started eating that baby thinking I was recording and I wasn't, but go ahead and take a look at these groceries right here, man. So I'm gonna have to reenact what I just said, man. And it ain't gonna be hard either. This baby is delicious. When I say this baby ricey, cheesy, chickeny. Let's try it with some of this chicken right here. See what it's about. Oh man, you definitely want to get this one to try. The rice is cooked to perfection. It's tender, it's not mushy, and that makes a difference. So, until the end, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.